Same aero exhaust, basically. We're taking out the sound baffler just to see how it goes.
The DB killer.
The DB killer.
Should be interesting.
Sean will finally get his moment to hear the exhaust and how it should sound from his viewpoint. Wow, is it really that easy? Yeah, I might bring mine by if I like the sound of it.
It's just one nut button, but it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, I can get at it.
I think I've spent enough money here, I could bring it by. I think I've spent like 12 arms and legs here.
That's it, eh?
But we're gonna keep that. Okay, let's see what it sounds like.
Ready, Sean? Yeah, let's see.
You're gonna do a little revving here? Okay, I'm bringing mine back. Are we keeping it? We're keeping it.